In this video, we're going to finish off logarithms with looking at a particularly challenging type of equation. We've got 3 to the x plus 2 is equal to 4 to the 3 minus x. Now, it is this type of equation where logging both sides is going to come into its own. It's going to be very difficult to solve this equation by writing it in logarithmic form. In fact, that's just beyond what we're going to be looking at, okay? So the only way forward for this is to log both sides. So it is essential that you know both methods, okay? Both ways of solving exponential equations, okay? Because in not all circumstances will going from an exponential form to logarithmic form will work. So we're going to log both sides. So log of 3 to the x plus 2 is equal to log of 4 to the 3 minus x. Now the x plus 2 can come down to the front. Make sure that it's in a bracket. And the 3 minus x can come down to the front, and also make sure that that is in a bracket. Now we're going to want to expand these brackets out. So we've got x log 3 plus 2 log 3 is equal to 3 log 4 take away x log 4. Now I want to get all the logs, or the x's rather, on one side of the equation and everything else onto the other. So I'm going to add x log 4 to both sides. And then take 2 log 3 from both sides. Now I can factorise the left-hand side. So x lots of log 3 plus log 4 is equal to 3 log 4 minus 2 log 3. And then I can divide both sides by that bracket. So x will be equal to 3 log 4 take away 2 log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 4. Now that's the exact answer, and it's not very pretty. You can type it into the calculator to give you a decimal approximation. So what have we got? 3 log 4 take away 2 log 3 divided by log of 3 plus log of 4. And that gives us 0.789 to 3 decimal places. Okay? And that's how we can solve this type of problem. It is tricky, it is quite complex in getting the logs right and making sure you've rearranged the equation correctly. So practice this because if it did come up, you'd have to go through this process.